Hello students, in tomorrow class we start chapter number 2 polynomial. Polynomials introduction class again repeated today. What is a polynomial? Polynomial have algebraic expression, have only power is whole number in variables. Then we studies terms always separating by the addition sign. Then coefficient is a multiplying factor of variables. After that we studying linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial means if highest degree is 1, it is called the linear polynomial. If highest power is 2, it is quadratic polynomial. If highest power is 3 of polynomial, it's called cubic polynomial. Today we discuss question number 5. Exercise 2.1, question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. First part, x square plus x. Highest degree, highest power, degree is highest power of the algebraic expression, highest power of the polynomial. X square plus x, degree is 2. That's why this type of linear, quadratic and cubic. If highest power is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. Already I tell yesterday already I tell linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial have highest power of 2, it means degree of 2. If any polynomial's degree is 2, it is called the quadratic polynomial. If one power is 1, it's called the linear polynomial. If degree is 3, it's called the cubic polynomial. Now next part, x minus x cube. So what is the degree? Degree is 3. Then which type of polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Which type of polynomial? Cubic polynomial, because degree is 3. Cubic polynomial. If degree is 1, linear. If degree is 2, quadratic. If degree is 3, cubic. Next one, y plus y square plus 4. Degree is 2. Degree is 2. That's why which type of polynomial? Quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Okay, D part, 1 plus x. 1 plus x. Degree is 1. Degree is 1. So, which type of polynomial? Linear. Linear polynomial. E part, 3t. 3t. Degree is 1. So again linear polynomial. So in this question only tell the type of polynomial according to the degree. If degree is 1, it's called the linear polynomial. Degree is 2, it's called the quadratic, and degree is 3, cubic polynomial. So next two parts you can do as a homework in your home. Now zero polynomials, zero of a polynomial. 2.1 exercise complete today. Now exercise 2.2, zeros polynomial. Zero of polynomial. What is the zeros of polynomial? Means polynomials denoted by px, always px. If given p0, it means px represent polynomial. Px represent polynomial. If given p0, so it means put the value of 0 on place of x. P0 means put the value 0 on the place of x in a polynomial. Understand? With the example, for given px is equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 4. In question given, find the p0. Find p0. p0 means put the value 0 on place of x. जहां पर भी x है पोलिनोमियल में वहां पे हमें 0 पुट करना है. 0 स्क्वायर 0 प्लस 4. 0 स्क्वायर मीन्स 0. 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0, अगेन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 प्लस 4. देन p0 इज इक्वल टू 4. Similarly, we find the values of polynomial according to the given situations p0, p1, p2, p3, p4. So we can find out the easily, put the values p0, p1, p2, p3 and we get the answer easily. Now start exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, question number 1, find the value of the polynomial. Question number 1, given a one polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial. 5x minus 4x square plus 3. 5x minus 4x square plus 3. First part, x, find the value of polynomial x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. It means put the value of x in this polynomial. So step by step put the values. 5 on place 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 0 minus, if multiplying with 0, 0 plus 3. So answer is 3. It means p0 because we place it denote the px. Polynomial represented by px. Put the value of x, then it means p0. In b part, in second part, x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Now put the values here. So p minus 1. P minus 1. 5 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 3. Solve it. If multiplying, minus 5. If having square a negative value have even power, so convert into positive. So it is convert into 1. It means positive 1. So minus 4 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4. Minus 9 plus 3. Now minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Again repeat. Some student in examination time doing mistake here. -1 square. Already you study in 8th class exponent and power chapter. If power in even number, so negative value convert into positive. So it's convert into positive 1. Positive 1 multiply with 4. So answer is 4. So 5 minus 4 plus 3. First two negative value adding, -9, then plus 3. One is minus, one is plus. You know very well in integer chapter in 6th class, if one value is minus and one value is plus, so subtract 6. Now the largest value of -9, so sign is 9. Now find the x is equal to. Everyone right now fastly performing in your rough notebook, and after that tell me the answer. It is answer is correct or not. Fastly everyone, x is equal to 2. This is your polynomial. Find the value of x is equal to 2. Everyone solving in rough notebook. After that I saw solve in on the board. Then you check your answer is correct or not correct. Fastly solving in your rough notebook. X is equal to 2. Find the polynomial, value of polynomial. After that, after some time I am performing on the board, then you tell me your answer is correct or wrong. P2, I think everyone solved in rough notebook. P2, it means 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 10 minus 4 into 4 plus 3. 10 minus 16 plus 3. 10 minus 16 plus 3. Then solve. This one is solving -6 plus 3. Then answer is -3. How many students correct answer? Muskan, Gargi, Priyansi, Palak, Subham, Dipesh, Bindu. Any other students? No one? Okay, very good. Now, question number 2. Now, question number 2. Find P0, polynomial of 0, P1, P2. For each of the following polynomial, for each of the following polynomial. First, part first, Py, y square minus y plus 1. I think some students have some doubt here. Sir, you tell Px. It's not mandatory, only Px will become here. Any variable will be come here. Okay? So Py, P0. P0 means P0, put the value of 0 on the place of y. 0 square, 0 plus 1. 0 minus 0 plus 1, answer is 1. Answer is 1. Similarly, we find out P1, P2. Everyone solve fastly and I write only the answer. Then you check your answer is correct or not correct. Everyone solve P1, P2. P0 already I tell it's a 1. Right now find P1 and P2 for this polynomial. Everyone solve in rough notebook. P1 and P2. P1 and P2. Palak already solved. P1's value is 1. P1's value is 1. How many students get 1? Very good. Find the fastly P2. P2, value of P2. P2, value of P2. Put here 2 ki power 4. P2's answer is 3. How many students get correct answer? Well done, very good. Now next part, part 2. Given is Pt. Now variable is t. 2 plus t plus 2t square minus 2t cube. This is your polynomial. Find the similar values P0, P1, P2, P3. Find P0, P1, solve. I think you can solve it in your rough notebook. I think it's a very easy for you. Only put the values on the place of t. Now put the values on place of t. Solve fastly. If put the 0, 2 plus 0 plus 2, 0 square minus 0 cube. The answer is 2. Answer is 2. P0 is put, then we get the answer 2. Now put P1. P1, fastly put the P1. Well done, Palak. Salini already done. Priyansi, Salini and Palak already done. Divya already done. Muskan, Bindu and Shubham. Any other student, what are you doing? Only few students, 9 or 10 students can done right now. What are you doing? P1, put the value of P1. 1 plus 2, 1 square minus 1 cube. 2 plus 1, 3. Here 2, because 1 square is 1, minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. P1 is 4. Further part, you can do yourself in your rough notebook and fair notebook. Now question 2, part 4. Part 4. Third part is your homework. Everyone do yourself question number 3rd. Second, part 3rd. Question number 2nd, part 3rd you can do yourself. Now 4th. Px is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1. Find the P0, P1, P2. P0, P1, P2. Put the values of 0 on a place of x. 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Solve it. Minus 1 plus 1, then answer is minus 1. Minus 1. Again same student repeated. Do fastly. It's a very easy chapter for you. Already studied in 8th class. Right now very simple question. Now P1. Put the values 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 and 2. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Boys, please do fast. Only girls student give the answer. Rahul, only Rahul. Shubham and Rahul, two boys only. Shubham, Gauraj, well done. Now P2. Value P2, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Answer is 3. Dipesh, very good. Now question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial, indicate against them, क्वेश्चंस पार्ट फर्स्ट आपको पोलिनोमियल के जस्ट सामने, उसके जस्ट सामने आपको वैल्यूज गिवन है, x इज इक्वल टू -1/3 बोला है कि इट्स ए पोलिनोमियल, जीरोस ऑफ पोलिनोमियल, इफ put the values and then you get the answer is 0, then definitely it is a zeros polynomial. What do here? Put the values on the place of x. If the value is answer is 0, then it is a 0 of the polynomial. Now part first, Px is equal to 3x plus 1, put x is equal to -1/3. ये वैल्यू इंडिकेट है आपको कि ये वैल्यू आपको इसमें पुट करनी है और चेक करना कि इट्स ए पार्ट जीरोस ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल और नॉट. इफ फाइंड p -1/3, put the values on the place of x. 3 cancel out because multiplication, then we get -1 plus 1, answer is 0. It means it's a type of zeros of the polynomial. If answer you get 0, then it's the type of zeros polynomial. So here write down, hence -1/3 is a zero of the polynomial. Write down after solving, if you get the answer 0, then write down this line, hence -1/3 is a zero of the polynomial. Now part 2, question number 3, part 2. Everyone do in your rough notebook fastly. I want to check how many students can done. Px is equal to 5x minus pi, x is equal to 4/5. Yes, Priyanshi, Subham and Vipin already done. Palak, Bindusri, Shubham, Salini and Goras. Please check your answer. Solve right now on the board. Please check your answer. The answer is correct or not correct. What find out? P 4/5. So 5 into 4/5 minus pi. 5 cancel out. Value is 4 minus pi. It means it's not a 0. That's why hence 4/5 is not 0 of the polynomial. ये आपका पोलिनोमियल का जीरोस नहीं है. ओके, नाउ पार्ट थर्ड, x square minus 1, it's a very easy, you can do, but here x is equal to 1 and -1, but in this question first put 1, after that put -1. In both the cases you find out that it's the zeros of the polynomial or not polynomial. In both cases you find out, not in a single case. First time you put value x is equal to 1, then put -1. Again repeat, आप लोगों को थर्ड पार्ट के अंदर एक बार 1 को पुट करना है और एक बार x की वैल्यू को -1 पुट करना है. दोनों केसेस के अंदर आपको चेक करना है कि वो जीरो ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल है या नहीं है. जिस केस में जीरो ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल होगा वहां पे हम लिख देंगे इट्स ए हेंस द जीरोस ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल. अगर नहीं है तो नॉट ऑफ द जीरो ऑफ द polynomial. Understand? Fourth part, C part you can do. It's your homework, you can do yourself. Now fourth part. Px is equal to x plus 1, x minus 2, x is equal to -1 and 2, x is equal to -1 and 2, x is equal to -1 and 2. First time find the p minus 1. Okay, if put the value minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2, here 0, here minus 3, answer is 0. Then we can write down it's a part of 0 of the polynomial. It's the part of the 0 of the polynomial. Now p2, both cases you can find. Now put the 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 into 0. In the both cases it's a 0 of the polynomial. Both cases it's a 0 of the polynomial. Understand? In both cases it's a zeros of the polynomial. Very good. Priyansi, Shubham, Shalini, Shubham, Vipin, Palak and Dipesh, Gargi, Rahul and Muskan. Very good, Goras. Now, next part, do in your rough notebook. Write now fastly. Write now fastly done in your rough notebook. Part 6th. Not 5th, not 5th. 5th is a very easy. It's a part of 0 polynomial. 6th part, px is equal to lx plus m. X is equal to minus m upon l. 6th part, fastly. One, two, three, four. 4 students done. Priyanka, Shalini, Palak and Goras, Rahul, Shubham, Bindu, Abhishek and Dipesh, Vipin. Very good. If you done, put the value of x minus m upon l. L into minus m upon l. Cancel out. Minus m plus m. If both are subtract, then answer is 0. It means it is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now 7th part. Everyone do 7th part. Question number 3. 7th part. Px 3x square minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. Do fastly. Priyansi, Shalini, Shubham and Muskan. Well done. Palak, very good. Bindu. Again girls fast. Shubham, Banu. Sabna Banu, sorry. Vipin, well done. Find out which one have zeros of the polynomial, minus 1 upon root 3 or 2 upon root 3. Fastly. Okay. X is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Put here 3 into minus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1. If have square, then this values minus 1 upon root 3. So if you open the square, then this one will convert in positive one, and this one, if square root have square, if square root have square, if square root have square, so automatically root will be removed. So minus 1, 3 out of 3 cancel, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That means it is a zeros of the polynomial. Now next 2 root 3. 3 into 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. Open the square. 2 square is 4. Root 3, 3. Cancel out. Minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Not 0. It means it is not a 0 of the polynomial. Question number 3, part 8. You do yourself. Now next question number 4. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Px, first part, Px is equal to x plus 5. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Listen carefully. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Find करना है कि इसका 0 of the polynomial कौन सा नंबर होगा. So in this type of question, we put Px is equal to 0. Px is equal to 0 of the polynomial, because if 0, so always Px is equal to 0. In previous question we solved it. Find the 0 of the polynomial. If put the values, then always answer get 0. So it means it is a 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial तभी हो सकता है जब Px की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 0. तो यहाँ पे हम Px को क्या मान लेंगे, Px 0 होगा, तो Px की जगह हम क्या पुट करेंगे, 0 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 5. आप लोगों ने पिछली क्लास में पढ़ा था लीनियर इक्वेशन जो था वन वेरिएबल, जब हम यहाँ पे वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं, ये प्लस 5 जब इधर ट्रांसफर होगा तो x की वैल्यू निकालोगे, तो ये जब इधर आएगा तो x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी, कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी, प्लस में की वैल्यू जो है इधर आकर माइनस में हो जाती है, तो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5. x इज इक्वल टू यानी 0 ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल क्या हो गया, माइनस 5. लिख दोगे यहाँ पे, हैंस माइनस 5 is the 0 of the polynomial. Now part 2 you can do fastly, easily. X minus 5, what is the 0 of the polynomial? Rahul, Shubham and Priyansi, Bindu, Palak and Gargi, Shubham, Sabnam, Banu, Gauraj, very good. Abhishek, very good. Tanisha, Muskan, almost every student done. So 0 of the polynomial in this case, in this question, 5, positive 5. Now third part, 2x plus 5. Px is equal to 2x plus 5. What is the 0 of the polynomial? Put 0 here. For the 0 of the polynomial, Px क्या हो गया, 0 हो गया. For the 0 of the polynomial, Px की वैल्यू 0 होगी. सोल्व करेंगे, यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है अपने को. यहाँ जब 0 पुट किया, 2x plus 5. ओके, फर्स्ट टाइम 5 को इधर ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो माइनस 5 आ जाएगा. So minus 5 is equal to 2x. Now 2 transfer, x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Because 2 in multiply of x. So if you transfer, then always in part of divide. Understand? The answer is minus 5 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2. How many students get the correct answer? Priyansi, Shubham, Palak, Muskan, Salini, Dipesh, Abhishek, Gargi, Gauraj, Vipin and Bindusri, Sabnam, Vipin Rathod. Well done, Abhishek. Okay, hence the minus 5 upon 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Now, question number 4, you can do in your home. 5 you can done easy. 5, everyone solve 5. 5, question number 4, part 5. Px is equal to 3x. Solve it. Here Px is equal to 0, then put 0, find the value 3 in divided by 0. So x is equal to 0 upon 3. It means answer is 0. So 0 is the polynomial of this 0 of the polynomial. X is equal to 0. Very good. Now sixth part, ax. Px is equal to ax. Same, Px is equal to ax. Sixth part, Px is equal to ax. Px is equal to ax. And then last part, Px is equal to Cx plus d. Px is equal to ax, Px is equal to Cx plus 2. Do fastly. If Px is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to ax, a divided by 0. Then get x is equal to 0. Hence, the 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Solve this part. Px is equal to Cx plus 2. Now, after this part, your exercise 2.2 completed today. Tomorrow we start exercise 2.3. That's your last question of the day. Everyone solve. It's your last question of the day. Solve in your rough notebook. After that, solving on board. Then you check your answer is correct or not correct. Many students done. Px is equal to 0. 0 is equal to Cx plus d. First d transfer plus d, so minus d. Minus d. Now Cx, C multiply in x, so then divide by d. X is equal to minus d upon c. How many students get this answer? Minus d upon c. Everyone. Abhishek, Bindu, Abhishek, I think get the wrong answer. No problem. You solve again in your home. Extra questions you can solve it. If you have any doubt, then you tell me. Okay. Next class on tomorrow. Thank you very much.